Welcome to Live Spy Trading weekly breakdown for the week of July 6th through to July 10th. In today's video, we're going to go over all the pre-market setups and all the live stream callouts that enabled us to spank the market like it was wearing a gimp suit. Let's get into the trades. We started our week on July 6th. July 6th, we had a high of about 752.40 and a low of about 747.42. Let's check our pre-market trading plans. In pre-market, let's check out this bolt up, okay? Look at the date, look at the time. Before the market opened, let's check the bolt up. For the bolt up, what we needed to see was, we want to see the price touch this blue trend line right here, reject, find some support at around 749.81 before the next leg up. Let's see what happened in real life. As you can see, July 6th, the price push up, found some resistance at this blue trend line, retrace back down, finding support at 749.81 before the next leg up. Every single price point hit. Now let's check that live stream. Look, this has been here since this morning. We already knew what the target was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes into the session. This is actually too easy. The only thing that holds us back is the fear of the red candle. That's the only thing that holds us back. If we can get over that fear of that red candle and let the market do what it needs to do and understand what the data is telling us, we're in this blue until we're not, which is what this shadow realm means, which I said a long time ago. As long as we understand that, this gets much easier. Let's use the data. Don't worry about the news. Don't worry about indicators. None of that shit works. None of it works. Ask me how I know, because I've tried them all. That shit don't work. Does not work. If you're trying to overlay indicators and do all this and do all that, it's an information overload. We don't need all that. Our entry was on the break of this magenta right here, stated in the Discord. Another entry could have been the rejection of this blue right here, stated on Discord. And then we're looking to see if we're going to hit this target right here that I said early this morning for the world to hear. Moving right along to July 7th. July 7th, we had a high of about 751.02 and a low of about 745.33. The market ended a little bit underneath opening print. Let's check out the pre-market. In pre-market, let's look at this chop, okay? So for the chop scenario, we wanted to see if we're going to stay within a range and maybe grab some liquidity off of this 5 moving average and maybe finish a little bit below opening print. Let's see what happened in real life. In real life, as you can see, the price swooped down, grabbing that liquidity off the 5MA to finish a little bit below opening print. Every single price point hit. Now let's check the live stream to see how we took advantage of this. Exactly to the key level, 47.41. There's nothing more I can do. I've done my job. And it's exactly on the bottom of blue. Now let's hit the 5. And key level hit. Easy money. Very easy money. This is too simple. This is too easy. This is actually too easy. Look at the money we just printed. Let's see what we can do. And we're breaking the blue, which means we have a stronger selling channel now. Expect some violence at the 5. Look at the money. Look at the money. Oh my goodness. Who didn't know? Which brings us to July 8th. July 8th, we had a high of about 746.22 and a low of about 739.54. Let's check out the pre-market. In pre-market, July 8th. Look at the date. Look at the time before the market opened. Let's look at this chop again, right? So in the chop, what we wanted to see was some resistance a little underneath the 5MA and maybe some support around the 50MA. Let's see real life. As you can see, the resistance a little bit underneath the 5MA and the support exactly from the 50MA. Every single price point hit. Now let's see how we executed during the live stream. Whoa, here, watch this. Everybody in the world, watch this. I'm going to share the screen. Before the market opened, this is Pacific Standard Time, The 5-minute lick boxes look reasonable. They look reasonable. Now let's understand what this means, right? Let's understand what this means. Here's our 5-minute chart. Here's the liquidity box on the 5-minute chart. We see the rejection of the lick box in the 5-minute chart. For safety, the entry on the break of teal to where? Exactly to the bottom of the lick box. Easy money. If you're not in the Discord, sucks to suck. It's too easy. Look at the money we just printed. Look at the runners running. Look at them running. Oh my goodness. Remember, do not consider this financial advice. Trading stocks involve risk along with the channel. The trades that appear in the broadcast and affiliate companies are not liable for any loss inflicted related to its content. And then you go to the website right here if you want to get involved. This is too easy. It's actually too easy. Look at the money we just printed. Every day, the same thing. I'm trying to help people out and you people are stupid. Change the channel. Just change the channel. I gave away all the answers to the Discord before the market opened. Change the channel. You're dumb. Look at the money we just printed. Go to the website if you're interested. Oh my goodness. On to July 9th. July 9th, we had a high of about 752.09 and a low of about 745.60. Let's check that pre-market. In pre-market, let's look at the bolt up. Remember, look at the date, look at the time before the market opened. Let's check out this bolt up. We wanted to see the price spike up, do a little dance around this blue trend line again before the next leg up. Let's see what happened in real life. As you can see, July 9th, the price spiked up, did the little dance around this blue trend line before the next leg up. Every single price point hit. Now let's check that live stream. Look at the money we just printed. Look at the money we just printed. I couldn't get up and walk away, but whatever. Look at the money. Look at the money we just printed. Absolute perfection on the call out, if I do say so myself, and I did. Now I can adjust everything. I got even more room to breathe. All right, we had a good day. We had a very good day. God, look, the put scenario had to be underneath 45.43. That's just the answer. The call scenario was up here. If you wanted to wait for purple, I think it was a little bit late on this purple, but that didn't change. Or you could have waited for the safety to break and retest above the blue. I told everyone in the Discord, blue. Look for blue, right? Here's the money. Collect your money. Do whatever you're going to do. Now you can do whatever you need to do. Easy money. Easy money. And finally, Friday, July 10th, we had a high of about 755.52 and a low of 748.18. Let's look at the pre-market. In pre-market, look at the date, look at the time. We want to look for a play off the 5MA. Let's look at the cup and handle. The cup and handle says we want to grab that liquidity off the 5MA, maybe a little bit lower before the leg up. Let's look at it happen in real life. As you can see, the price spiked down, grabbing that liquidity off the 5MA before the final push up. Every single price point hit. But how did we do in the live stream? Let's check. Officially, now it's official. Now that we retested this, literally everything that I said would happen within 2 or 3 minutes of the market open has happened officially on the 11:16 candle. What is this? Yeah, 11:16. Now everything happened. I'll just say it right now. Early this morning, I told everybody in the world, it would be nice if we had a push up, retrace back down, grab liquidity off the 5 before retesting this level right here. I didn't know exactly what the level was, but a push up and back down. The level ended up being 53.13. Everything has now happened, right? Every single thing.